just run out of water. Look at that. Doesn't this remind you kind of like Australia? There it is, CRISTO REI. Hello, Bontari, and welcome back. Firstly, apologies, it's been a couple of weeks since the last video, but lockdown lifted and luckily meant that we could go on a few road trips, get a few of the freelance projects up and going, which has been great. So today, back out on the bike, hottest part of the day, and climbing a nice steep hill. So this is Horta Hill. It's a little bumpy, but it's great, feels good, good sweat on. But yeah, stunning day here today, blue sky, and I'm thinking that once I get to the top, the sea views there are going to be pretty awesome. Can't wait to check it out. So down there you can see some more fishermen, low tide. How stunning does that look though? So this is usually where I cycle most days along the coast here, out towards CRISTO REI, which is the Jesus Christ statue, one of the most popular landmarks here in Timor Leste, and a very popular route here along the coastline for runners and for cyclists also. But today I thought needed a bit of an extra sweat on, so we're going to go this way, up over Horta Hill. But yeah, look at this. Doesn't this remind you of kind of like Australia? The really kind of red, orangey soil. So last week filmed 4 video shoots. Absolutely exhausted, but yeah, felt amazing. Met some great people, got some great content, and so now working on the edits for those. A few coffee shops here in Dili, working with the Coffee Association and also the Hotel Association, and a couple of tourism videos as well. And then also took a day trip to Bacau to catch up with a guy Mito, who's Timorese, went to New Zealand to study, came back and has been supporting his local community in Bacau to kick off a agro-tourism farm. We went down, absolutely amazing, full of crops, a big team of people, all pulling together, working hard. Look at that. We're going to cruise on down this hill, wind our way down. We're going to come along this coastline road, follow that all the way around the peninsula here. That kind of continues on to Back Beach at CRISTO REI. Enjoy the view there, enjoy the ride, and then we're going to turn around, come back, up over Horta Hill and back down. Just look at that though. So much fun coming down that hill, hanging on for dear life. So whilst we're climbing up this next hill, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Also hit the like button, really helps to get this video out to more people. In the last video I asked where people were watching from, and it was really interesting seeing all the comments from places like the UK, from Spain, from Egypt, here, Timor Leste, from Papua New Guinea, New Zealand, Australia, yeah, so all over the place. So if you didn't already comment in that video, drop me a comment below. Let me know where you're watching from. Always fascinating. Look at that view. I have to count how many times I say that in this video. Look at that view. A few more yet. So we're now cycling along right by the ocean. Always my favourite type of ride. A bit warmer down here, but actually quite keen to jump in as well and cool off. So normally I'd be filming this type of footage on the bicycle on my GoPro, but took it out to the island a little while ago to go snorkeling. Got it all charged up, got the SD card in it all ready to go, went out snorkeling. Oh, realised I hadn't shut the little door properly. Mostly shut, but that doesn't really work with water. So yeah, water was creeping in, destroyed the GoPro. So today filming on my phone. There it is, Cristo Rei. So it's a statue of Jesus Christ, definitely the most popular, most recognisable landmark in Timor Leste. So you can climb up over the steps to get to it. But yeah, you can also come this way as well via back beach here, the back of Cristo Rei, and then up. Not going to be doing that today though, just going to enjoy the cycle. It's like the horseflies know when you're most vulnerable. Cycling up a huge hill, super sweaty, you can only go so fast. And this little one following me, landing on my calf every 3 or 4 seconds. Hey, stage 1 done. Now for the last second leg, up over Horta, and that's all downhill. So I think I'm going to treat myself to a coffee and a coconut at one of my favourite cafes here at Metial Beachside Hotel. Let's go check it out. First of all, beast of a hill. Just run out of water halfway up the hill. So yeah, definitely going to need that coffee and coconut. And we made it. Gotta say, that was hard work. So hot. And it's been a good few months with the whole lockdown though, since I've cycled down and up and over, or whatever you want to call it, over Horta Hill. Feels good. Okay, coffeeed up, enjoyed the coconut, put the other half in my water bottle here, they're huge. Gonna cycle back home now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Great workout today, felt good. Gonna do more of this going forward. If you enjoyed it, hit like. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, and we'll see you soon.